Welcome to another episode of the Tech Wizard series. My name is Sergio Zurita, and I'm a product engineer with Panasonic. In this episode, we will cover the Panasonic TOUGHBOOK FZ40, known for its extreme reliability, maximum productivity, and we will dive into the sustainable design. The TOUGHBOOK 40 has 8 user upgradable areas, and all can be purchased as accessories. In this video, we will go over the removal and installation of the right expansion area. Panasonic disclaimer: the customer is liable for any damage to the system or replacement component while servicing the unit. In this event, the customer will be responsible for any and all charges related to repair of the system by the Panasonic National Service Center. On the right expansion area, you have 2 options: the insertable smart card reader and a second battery. Today we'll only be doing the insertable smart card reader, but keep in mind that it is the same procedure for both options. So to start, slide it, press it down, and open the door. From here, make sure to unlock it, then pull it out by the blue tab, and it's out. Then to reinstall it, just insert it back in, lock it, and you can just close the door and good to go. Thank you for joining this episode of the Tech Wizard series. If you have any questions, you can contact Panasonic support at 1-800-LAPTOP-5 or email us at toughbook@us.panasonic.com.